Hi, what's up mga Lods? Magandang araw sa lahat dyan. It's me again, si Ruben Song, ang seaman na nakikipagsapalaran sa karagatan para makaahon sa buhay. Kaya ako po'y palagi nagsasabi mga Lods, mahirap man tayo at dukha sa tingin, makakaahon din tayong lahat mga Lods. Ngayong araw na ito mga Lods, yung kakantahin natin ay kanta ni Morten Harket. Yung title po is Can't Take My Eyes of You. Requested by Brenda Navarro. Lodi, ito na yung request mo. Subukan ko itong tirahin, Lods. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes of you. I love you, baby, and it's quite alright. I need you, baby, to warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, trust in me when I say I need you, baby. Will you come my way, pretty baby? Now that I've found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. Natapos na pala yun. Bigla natapos ako lang. Hindi ko alam. Bago pa natin ito totoong tapusin mga Lods, i-shout out natin sila mga Lods. Sana ba tayo sila? Ito na si Juliet De Rio. Shout out sa dyan, Lodi, Juliet. Yung sunod na pa-shout out si Shervin Colts. Ay, Shosho. Ikaw pala to, Shosho. Shout out sa dyan na Shosho, si Insan. Tsaka lahat naman nasa Kibungson magsaysay, shout out sa lahat dyan. Yung sunod na pa-shout out ay from Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, si Ruby. Shout out siya dyan, Lodi. Ruby at saka lahat ng sa Riyadh. Yung sunod na pa-shout out ay from Leyte, si Kagasa Daily Vlog. Shout out siya dyan, Lodi. Kagasa Daily Vlog at saka lahat ng nasa Leyte. Yung sunod na pa-shout out ay from Iloilo, si Rems Solmira. Ito yung nag-birthday kahapon. Napilitan kong kantahin ng Ultima Hora yung request niya kasi birthday daw niya. Lodi, Rems, belated happy birthday sa'yo dyan. Solmira at saka lahat na nasa Iloilo, shout out sa lahat dyan. Yung sunod na pa-shout out ay si Virginia Santillana from San Francisco, Surigao. Shout out sa dyan, Lodi, Virginia at saka lahat na nasa Surigao. The last but not the least na nagpa-shout out ay si Biens J. Solyan. Why Solyan? Yolyan. Yung ko paano ito pag-pronounce, no? Sorry talaga kasi hindi ko alam kung paano eksakto i-pronounce yung mga pangalan nyo. Yun lang sa mga araw ito, mga lods, no? Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, ma-shout out yung lahat dyan. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. At once again, magandang araw sa lahat dyan. Salamat sa walang sawang pagtangkilik. Thank you and thank you.